Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you the basics of switching hands. There's a lot of different ways you can switch hands. So I'm just going to be showing you this basic way so you can get used to it. So the idea is that you want it to be flat. Every time you switch, you want this position. When you're twisting it, it goes into this position and then it goes flat. And then it goes back into that, and then flat again. So what you're wanting to do is keep it flat while it's right here. So when you're coming up, make sure you twist and keep your palm up and slanted so that it stays flat. With your other hand, you just scoop into that chain gap. And it's the same thing on coming down. You want it to be flat when you do it. One way to help learn this is to extend your arms so that you can slow down the timing and you can get a real feel for it. And slowly work your way on not having to extend yourself. It might be tricky at first, but once you understand the rotation you have to do with your wrist and your hand and keeping it flat and open, it makes the trick really, really easy. Now, you don't have to use all 4 fingers, it just makes it easier. You can do this trick with just a finger. It's just a little bit harder. So switching hands, you can do a lot of different things, but with chain game, this is probably the best way to swap hands. So if you're doing some tricks over here and you want to switch, you just do that same technique. And doing it over and over is a trick in itself as well. So hopefully this teaches you the basics of switching hands and you get it down in no time.